Hey guys, it's Daisy Marquez here, and I am so excited to announce that I am the face of the brand new Morphe Make It Big Mascara. It's our first mascara ever, and for today's look, I'm going to show you guys my lash routine using the lash primer and the Make It Big Mascara. We're gonna go for like a nude neutral look, so stay tuned if you want to watch. So on days where I don't want to have like a heavy glam, I think like some really nice coated lashes are the way to go. Sometimes less is more, and I have been recently loving to rock my natural lashes. I take really good care of them, especially with the lash primer. Girl, you are going to see the big difference that it makes, and I'm about to show you. So the first step in my lash routine is a serum, and this is the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. This helps your lashes grow naturally, make them thicker and longer. Now the tip on this is like a very nice defined tip, kind of like eyeliner, and I'm about to show you guys exactly how I do it. So you can actually apply the serum once a daily, and you should let it dry for like 1 to 2 minutes just to ensure that it's not going to mess with your lashes or makeup. It's literally so simple, and it's clear, so you don't actually see it. Just like that, super easy. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. I just smacked myself. I literally dry my lashes like this, and it just hits my lashes. So before we move on to my next lash step, I'm gonna go ahead and do like my neutral nude makeup using the Madison Beer palette. This is what it looks like. You have some neutrals, cool tones, warm tones. So I'm just quickly going to be doing that. It's super easy. I'm first gonna be grabbing this neutral shade. You wanna grab shades that are kind of close to like your bronzer color. So I'm gonna start off at the top corner and connect it to my nose contour. But this look is so simple. It's literally like in 2 steps. Just gonna add a little bit right here. That way, whenever I put on the black mascara, it really stands out with the white nude lid. Okay, so the next step is going to be crimping my lashes. I have been crimping my lashes since I could remember. Probably the first time I ever used mascara was like 6th grade maybe. But I remember I was so terrified to crimp my lashes. I feel like every girl had that first experience where they thought they were gonna rip their lashes off. It's happened to me a couple times, but I've mastered it by now. So I like to do 10 times on each side. You see they're already lifted, and they're about to be super big. So when I found out that Morphe was coming out with a lash primer, I was so freaking excited because I feel like lash primer is so slept on. But just like we have primer for your foundation, I think primer for your lashes is super essential. If you guys have not tried it out, definitely do so. And there's a surprise. This one is blue. It makes it so much fun. Like, I've never applied colorful mascara, but since this is the primer, it makes everything so much fun. It's like the pre-game before the party. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna do one eye first, and I'm gonna start at the root. Oh my gosh, look at that. I can already tell. I'm a messy mascara applier, okay? I always have to go back in with my Q-tip and clean it up, but I'd rather be messy and get every lash than no. Oh, we love a long lash. Do you guys see that? Look at the difference. Isn't this crazy? And this is just the primer, you guys. I'm shook. I think a good tip is to let the primer dry just like you would with your foundation. That way, you know, they don't mix or anything. But now moving on to the Make It Big Mascara. This is the bad boy of the show. This is the main attraction right here. Let me just pull it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat one lash first so you guys can see. Doing the same thing, I start at the root and then work my way up. And if you have to open up your mouth, like, it does help. It literally looks like I have falsies on. Wow. Great, and literally, that's it. You don't even need, I mean, I like to go individually, but you guys can see the difference. And this was with the primer. I'm telling you guys, the primer and this together, this is like the best duo ever. But yeah, this is literally it, and I'm living for it. So now that we are all done coating the lashes, you guys can tell they have volume, they have length, they're intensified, and that is exactly what this mascara does. So now I'm just gonna finish my face using the Complexion Pro palette. I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, a little bit of blush, just to add some more dimension to our face. So I went ahead and I filled in my lips with the Sweetheart lip liner. This is like the perfect nude color. I love this one and Frenchie as well if you guys are looking for any recommendations on lip liners. And now we're gonna move on to the actual lippy. This one is in the shade First Base. It's just like a perfect nude. So I'm gonna be adding 2 glosses. I'm gonna be using Boho and Flower Crown. Flower Crown is one of my top faves, but I always like to mix glosses. Oh, this one's so pretty. It's just straight up like a peachy nude. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the Boho on top. And then Boho adds like a little hint of pink. These two together are so pretty. All right guys, I think we are almost done. I just need bottom mascara. I'm also going to be applying the primer on my lower lashes. I'm not gonna lie, I do have small bottom lashes, but with the primer, girl, you are about to see the difference. You don't have to apply the primer on the lower lashes, but it just makes such a huge difference. It opens up your eyes, and I love bottom mascara. I always have to do bottom mascara, but I want to show you guys the difference. Alright guys, so that is it for my lash routine and my neutral glam. You can get your hands on the primer and the Make It Big mascara online at morphe.com and in stores. Do not forget to use code FLOWERS for 10% off to save some money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys make it big with the mascara.